You pretty much we found it. Okay. Oh. Or you want to go take it? Stay. Drop it. Drop it. Clear.
Wow. Nice. Get here. Get here. Get here. You're good. You're good. Good. Good.
Attaboy.
Go. Go. Go.
Wow.
Oh, come on. Can't see it. Can't see it. Oh, nice. He's out.
Yeah, he's out.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Score, 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 score. Oh, fuck. There we go, buddy.
That's trouble.
Go two, go two, take two, take two. Go! Hey, take three, call it three. Hey, got peasy. Get down. Whoa. He's there.
Trouble. Attaboy.
Nice.
Nice swing, Kyle.
Attaboy, Kyle.
Now I'm gonna be looking at that the whole time I'm up the bat.
Don't get in trouble.
I got out.
What a wastage.
Oh, looks like a foot.
2 minutes of one ball.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm home.
Attaboy. Now you can walk in. Nice job.
Round 2. You're good.
Trouble. We're going there.
Oh, yeah.
At least he's not here.
I was going to say, you don't hear her disagree now, do you? Attaboy.
Nice swing.
Good job, Mike.
You're going. Easy, JT, easy.
Nice. Attaboy, Mick.
Get down.
We're going.
Get out!
There it is.
Get out! Attaboy.
Attaboy, Schmoyer.
That's no better.
Attaboy.
Came off, huh? Whoa, I'm awake.
Kid.
That'll work.
It fits.
Got him.
Make a double out of that.
Stay.
Attaboy, Hurricane!
Start us off.
Damn it.
You're up, Herc. Go, Smart. One down.
Attaboy, big guy. We go 9s.
Nice.
Attaboy, Schmoyer.
What do you want on that, Tim?
Attaboy, Larry.
Oh, get there.
Come on, Larry! What's that, in there?
Three down, guys.
Yeah, that's what it was too. That thing died on you like you know what.
Hey, boy, rope.
You're in front of the white roach.
Attaboy.
Oh, the five guys. Alright.
Come on, Jake.
Let me see it, Justin.
Here, Kyle.
Especially with his speed.
Come on, Pierre. Go.
Let's go, Derek.
Get 2 in here, huh?
Time run that too, guys.
Nice! You're up, you're up, you're up. For it right there.
Take a shot out of that, not me.
Actually, I ordered it, but
Oh, boy, rope.
yeah, I'll sell it. Yeah. I mean, I'll hold on for a week. She says she wants it's mine. Then I'll get rid of it.
Probably.
Like a mic thing, I wanted another free. Original free. Walk up.
Get out of here. Oh, boy, kid. Let it over, dude.
I said walk up. The new ones are pretty good. Yeah.
What I tell you, huh?
Yeah.
Stranger. There you go. You don't have to sit on your head anymore.
Get out, get out. Get out, get out, get out, get out.
Attaboy.
Attaboy, Kyle!
There you go, 1-1.
We got the foul.
There you go. You're back.
Yeah, boy.
Watch out.
I gotta go get it.
A little auto action. Fun away.
Hey, we don't want that ball.
Nice.
Attaboy, Herg.
Take a turn, Hergy. Go, 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 go!
Two.
Right there, Herky. Right there. Right there.
Attaboy, Hergy.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that was high.
That's putting me in that match, man.
He's letting me throw him high, too. Come on, Roach, get a hit, man.
Say, Herg. Somebody's got to tell me to stay.
I told you.
Yeah, I was around third already now.
Oh boy, Hergy.
Love the aggression.
I hope we win.
Wow, we get a chance.
How much you want to bet he doesn't go yard? Okay, I lost that bet.
You're changing it up.
Put it on so everyone can see.
Yeah, that's it.
Go, 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 go.
You're there, you're there. Right there.
We should probably have somebody at third.
Base hit. Go.
Attaboy.
Take a look, Hergy. Take a look. Take a look. Right there. Right there.
This little reach.
One down, Hergy.
Back. Back.
Okay, put your hand.
Can't do anything about that. That's twice now. You hit the ball solid. You keep doing it.
That's in the gap. Don't Larry, you're scoring.
Larry, you're scoring. Come on, score, Larry.
Unhitch the wagon.
Carrying the piano.
From first base.
Good job, Justin.
Come on, girl.
Trouble, that's trouble, that's trouble.
Catch big.
One down. Nice grab, Jess. Go home, AJ. No. Get down, get down. You're driving.
Come on, big man.
Don't even talk to him.
Good job.
Oh boy, good.
Don't touch him. Nobody touch him.
Whatever.
Don't touch him.
Hey, we're gonna run in for the team.
That's a game check.
That's how you get a run in for the team.
That's a game check.
2 for 2, 2 home runs.
Oh, here we go.
Is that an out? That's a home run. Oh, okay.
Sorry, guys.
I haven't hit one good in a long time, and I freaking smashed one. I'm sorry, dude.
That's all right. Yeah, we still have another one out, don't we?
Where's that one?
I don't want them to be able to home. No, that's a good hit.
Good idea.
That was a line drive. It wasn't like that blue he hit. Nice hit. That's nice hit. Get down.
No way.
No way.
Are you serious?
Hey, watch you on him.
What a hit. That's
That
nice.
was a line drive. It wasn't a
Blooper like yours.
Good hit, Pierce.
Yeah.
Nice hit.
Good job,
Yes.
Mike.
Roach. That's what a single looks like.
Oh boy.
After getting them.
We don't need two guys getting them.
Are there 2 guys? I see 1 guy.
Nice hit.
Yeah, boy, Larry.
Come on, Hergy. Come on. Go.
Go, Mike. Go.
Go, Hergy. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. Easy, Hergy. Easy, easy, easy.
Go, JT.
Nice. That's nice. Oh,
Go. Go.
In the Parker! In the Parker! Run!
Go, JT. Go, JT.
Good job, guys.
There you go. Come on. Take a look. Right there, kid. Right there.
That's the best nun swing I've seen all day.
It's gone. It is so gone.
That's a car. What do you do about it?
Oh my gosh, it's a child.
Jesus, Fred.
I literally done. I hit like that. How does that go out?
I don't know, but that time you got it. You got it.
Hey, use the fat boy.
Come on, Mick.
Big goal!
Right there. Yeah. Come on, Mikey.
Must have been that shiatsu.
Oh no. Come on. No, that's good.
Let's go. Yes!
Go, Jared, go!
Come on, come on. Awesome, get down. Come on, Hergy.
Good job.
Up easy, Hergy. Right there, right there. No. Mickey. Pierce.
Held up a little bit. Yeah. He slowed down a little.
That's trouble.
Get on, Larry.
Hustle, Larry, hustle.
Two of them didn't count. Atta boy. Down.
No, it's okay.
Right now.
I'm sorry. I've heard it's
Real intense. That checks it up a lot.
I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Badass.
I already got my ticket, bro. I don't need fucking. I guarantee it, dude.
You want, for sweet people, it is, bro. Guaranteed.
Living the sweet
You
life.
know what a box feels like?
Yeah, we used to have it.
Yeah, right, bro.
Come to our office. McCovey's autograph on a baseball. I know Justin. Does that count?
Are we up?
I don't know, but I think they're playing with 8.
Let's play faith and make it fair.
High managerial style tonight.
Oh, don't worry about him. He's just there for moral support.
So we're gonna do I got up and hit a triple and like knocked 2 guys in, everything else. He goes, wait a minute.
All day? Oh, it's 2.
Out of the way, Hergy!
Hey, we got somebody on base, huh?
Way to break up the no-hitter!
Oh boy, Hergy. Go on, Herg.
Scores and nothing's coming up.
And they drop the ball.
Yeah, they are. Yes, they are.
That way, Kyle.
Take 2, Herg.
No excuse.
Tim Boyce on the dugout.
Frank, don't get in my way! Go, get down!
Bad hop, bad hop. Everyone's safe, stay.
In the back.
The scorekeeper's feeling generous. Yeah, Bill, our stats. That boy. No bubble, Kyle.
Stay, Kyle. One time he doesn't hit cars off. Stay.
Hit the shit out of that one.
You were standing in that 18 run. Could lose the game. Way to go.
There goes a shutout.
Hey, Scott, you haven't been yourself.
Did I get my RBI on that one?
Yeah.
Wow.
Out of the way, Jay.
Hello, kid.
Better tip your cap there.
I have time!
You're 24, you get the 14. No, 10.
Here we go, Pierce.
Or no, it's after.
Are we there yet?
You need to get the 9.
Justin.
Up, Big Bird.
So what we got, guys? I mean,
Bird, one dead. Here.
Wow.
But it just didn't work out.
Yeah.
What?
13, can we get our head in the game, please?
Gotta protect here.
Squeeze this, Blue. My head's so big I can watch everything.
Gotta protect.
Come on,
Beat it out, beat it out.
Run, Roosevelt!
The chewables?
Good eye.
You can't do the hard candy, right?
No, hurt my teeth.
Get down.
Hey, lots of room out there.